Welcome back, viewers. In the last few videos, we have checked out the Debian Multimedia. So the Debian Multimedia desktop can be realized by installing first the Debian desktop, standard desktop. You have to use the DVD or you can use the net installer and install the standard Debian uh, installation. So you can use any of the desktops that you like. You can use GNOME, KDE, Mate, XFC, whatever desktop you want, you can use. And after that, you have to use the command sudo apt install multimedia dash all. So that will install all the multimedia packages on your system as well as do the real-time configuration of the system. So that part we have done. Then we checked out all the different multimedia applications that are available and that are installed on the Debian Multimedia desktop. This Debian Multimedia desktop can be used to create content, to do the audio recording, to create your music. And in this video, we are going to investigate, or we can say we can verify whether the real-time configuration has been done to the system or not whenever we install the multimedia dash all meta package on your standard Debian desktop to realize the multimedia desktop. So the real-time configuration is done via two system files that are available on your desktop. So first is the system control.configuration file. So let us open this and check out what has been done to the system by the meta package multimedia dash all that we install in the Debian desktop. So here you can see this is the standard configuration file. So what changes are there? So the Debian multimedia configuration is not done to the system control file. So when I checked out, it was no change was done. So what I did is I added the pm swappiness is equal to 10 fs dot I notify dot max user watches is 6 lakhs. So this configuration has been done by me. It is not available in the Debian Multimedia. So Debian Multimedia does not touch this. But if you use the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio scripts, if you remember that video series is there. So in that the Brendan Ingram script will add this to the system control configuration file, but it is not done by the Debian Multimedia. So the Debian Multimedia developers have chosen not to add this, but I have added this. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you can just skip this step. But I have added this. It is not done by the this Debian Multimedia all script, but it is done by me. So I use this configuration from the Linux Pro Audio, that is Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio script. So Pro Audio script will do this. Debian Multimedia does not do this, but I have done this additional. So now what we will do is we will just close this configuration file, and now we will check out the audio configuration file. So this is edited, or we can say configured by the Debian Multimedia script. So here you can see the Debian Multimedia. Whenever you do the sudo apt install multimedia dash all on your Debian desktop, you will the automatic script will add audio real-time priorities as 95. Audio memory lock will be unlimited, and this nice is some configuration done to the Linux kernel. So I will handle this, or I will teach you this in some later video what is nice. So by default the audio nice is set at -19 by the multimedia dash all script. So keep this in mind. Rest there is nothing in this file, but only this three things are there that can be added by the this multimedia dash all script. So it is automatic script. Whenever you do the installation of the multimedia dash all meta package, the script runs at certain point during the installation. It will ask you whether you want to do the real-time configuration. You have to say yes, and then it will modify this audio configuration file. That's it. So I will now stop the video here. Now you understand the significance of having the this configuration as well as how it is done. So now you understand. So one meta package, everything is pre-configured by the Debian developers, and you get a full-fledged professional level, we can say audio station, or you can say creator station, where you can create audio, you can create video, you can do any other content creation, you can also do graphics work, you can do photography. Everything is done on this Debian Multimedia. So most of the people are knowing the Ubuntu Studio, but you see Debian also has got a similar studio. So we can say the Debian Multimedia is nothing but a Debian Studio where you can do professional work. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.